Steel's hang glider is on fire! Pshoo! The only landing spot is on top of the world's tallest mountain.
Steel is doomed! Doomed!
But who's this? Vroomboy! It looks like we're in a sticky situation.
Eh? Who's Vroomboy?
Is he a good guy or a bad guy? I don't know who to trust.
Ah, he looks like you!
Oh, I guess he does. A little.
And he has a grappling hook like you.
Yeah, sort of. Anyway, Vroomboy is Steel's faithful and almost as awesome as Steel's sidekick.
Is he a dirt bike?
No, he's a rescue bike. And he's always there to help Steel.
He'd be a way better sidekick if he was a dirt bike.
Oh, that was bike-tastic, Ricky. And what splendid drawings.
And whenever Vroomboy and Steel are going somewhere, Vroomboy says, "Let's zoom out!"
Isn't that what you always say?
No, I don't. Anyway, come on, Toot. Let's zoom out!
Hey, yes, I just did that. And I could do it again, but instead I've been working hard on the most amazing stunt the world has ever seen.
Hey, you must be Ricky.
You Steel are awesome!
That's right. Steel is in the house.
Your house.
You can't be the real Steel Awesome. Steel Awesome is much more awesome than you.
Oh,
Mr. Awesome's here getting ready for his next movie, Ricky.
it's called Steel Saves Everyone.
Ooh, who do you save in it?
Everyone! I thought I should learn how real rescue bikes work. True heroes like your mom and dad.
Well,
Oh,
I don't know.
well, that's very kind.
wouldn't
I mean,
say.
we'll do our best.
Oh, you're too modest. Very much like me.
And you carry the fire hose like this, so you can still move fast.
Give me another fire hose.
We don't carry more than one.
They're quite heavy.
If one is real, then two is even more real. And three would be the realest thing ever. Hey! Steel races through a towering blaze with three hoses. Steel versus fire. Fire!
Now's my chance. Yeah, this one! My chance to be Vroomboy!
And which button launches the invisible bike plane?
We don't have one of those.
Then how do you stay invisible when you fly?
Steel, I was wondering if...
An autograph? Oh, of course.
Oh?
Yeah. There, an official Steel Awesome tire mark.
That's not what I... thanks.
Don't mention it. Seriously, don't. Don't ever. Everybody's gonna want one.
Officer Bunker to Hank and Helen Zoom. We have well, not really, an emergency.
An emergency. Let's roll!
It happens again. Why does this always happen to me? Often several times a day.
I'll leave this one to you, Zooms.
Don't worry, Blip. We'll have you off there in no time.
Aha! Where's the emergency? I'm ready.
This is it.
Oh, I see. Well, it's no matter. Let's spring into action.
Oh, Hey, is it just me? Or does that guy look a bit like Steel Awesome?
Hi-ya! With his sidekick by his side.
What sidekick? Where?
Hey, Ricky, come and see how we do this rescue.
I'll be right there.
This scene isn't quite awesome enough for me. I think I'll go rehearse the mountaintop scene.
Mountaintop scene? Just like in my comic.
Stay awesome, bikes.
This is my chance. I gotta get the other bike buddies. Vroom!
You can't escape me on this mountaintop, muffler crunk.
Wow! It's like watching a Steel Awesome movie, except it's really happening, and there are no snacks. Okay, guys, I want Steel Awesome to meet Vroomboy for real, but I need help to make it look awesome.
We're here, Ricky.
What's your plan, Ricky?
And it better be a crazy plan, or I want no part of it.
No, muffler crunk. I'm not gonna save just anyone. I'm here to save everyone. Oh, chills. Wow. Haha. Maybe more front wheel. No? Haha. Better.
DJ, your turn.
Got it. Zoom can, go.
Steel Awesome!
Huh?
Vroom, vroom, vroom. Whoa! Your faithful sidekick, Vroomboy, is here. Whoa, yeah!
Vroomboy?
Go, Vroomboy!
That was our only way down. Vroomboy, it looks like we're in a sticky situation.
You're free. Try not to let it happen again, okay, Blip?
I think I'll be fine until tomorrow. Thanks, Zoom.
Scootio's calling Mr. and Mrs. Zoom. I think Steel Awesome is going to need a rescue at Windshield Point.
Ricky!
It's okay, Mrs. Zoom. I've got him. Me, Steel Awesome. Oh, oh. Uh-oh. We're in trouble this time, Supersonic Boy.
Vroomboy!
Supersonic Boy is better.
Hold on, you two. We'll find a way to get you down.
Whoa!
Oh, now that is a real rescue bike.
Ricky, you're going to need to winch him down. Do you think you can do that?
Me? Really?
You're my sidekick.
Ricky to the rescue! How's this?
That's it, Ricky. Slowly.
Maybe I do need a sidekick. Steel Awesome saves everyone! But who saves Steel Awesome? It's genius.
There you are, ready to save another day.
That was amazing! If only we could get this on camera.
You say hello to Zoom Can.
This walk is coming apart!
Coming, Ricky! Grab on, sidekick!
That wasn't just awesome. That was steel awesome. Hank and Helen, you are true rescue heroes. And you have quite the little sidekick there.
We know. We've always known.
Now, if you'll excuse me, I have a movie to make, and I've just thought of how it can be even better. Ha-ha!
I filmed that!
Steel Awesome saves everyone. But who saves Steel Awesome?
I do, Steel. Your faithful sidekick, Supersonic Boy.
Good job, Supersonic Boy. I can always count on you.
Ricky, Vroomboy is better.
Yeah, I know. Come on, we're gonna be late for school. Wait, Toot, you remember what to do.
I wasn't built yesterday, Ricky. I know you have to look both ways.
The bell's going to ring soon.
Don't worry, I know what to do.
Whoa! Phew!
See you later, Carburettor.
Huh?
Hello, children.
Hello, Mrs. Blakely.
Some of you may have noticed our school is in need of a crosswalk guard.
Yeah, I nearly leaked my oil trying to cross the street today. What? It was scary.
I'm sure it was. Fortunately, I have a solution. I'm going to be the crosswalk guard, but I'll need a helper. Someone from our class. Now, I think I can guess who wants to be my helper.
Vroom!
Why don't you just come on up?
Yeah! Huh? Loop? I think she was talking about me. It's obvious she was talking about me.
Well, isn't this Zoom-tastic? We have 2 volunteers. Of course, we'll have to test your skills to see who will be the best bike for the job.
Test? I don't get it. Why do you want to be the crosswalk helper? Rescue stuff is my thing, not yours. It could be my thing. I can have a thing too. I can do this. Vroom! Oh yeah? Well, I can do this. Grappling hook, go! I can do that. I just don't want to.
Here comes Mrs. Blakely now.
No matter who wins, you guys will still be friends, right? Right?
Of course we will. Why wouldn't we?
Oh, I knew it. So there's no problem. May the best bike win.
Test 1. Taking little bikes safely across the road. Ready?
Yes!
You can do it, Luke. Woo! Go, Ricky!
Right, hurry up. Come on, faster, faster.
Oh, yeah, that's awesome. Keep going, you two.
Okay, let's go.
Watch your wheels.
Go, go, go. Get across. Let's go, let's go.
Careful. Little bump there. Big bump there.
Yippee!
Awesome.
Excellent. Test 2. Emergency stopping. Stop! Stop! The final test, turning skills.
Seen traffic cones fly before.
That's because you've never gone fast before, which proves I'm the best bike for the job.
Police! You may be the best, but I'm the even more best.
I can even do this.
Yeah, but I have, the coolest rims. Yeah, well, I'm, blue. Beat that.
They said they'd still be friends, right? You heard them.
And they will. They have to.
Hey, I was here first. Yeah, first after me.
Oh, come along, boys. Dawdling bikes gather rust. Come in, come in. Take your seats. Everybody, I'm pleased to tell you that I've chosen my new Crosswalk Helper. It wasn't easy. Both did very well in the tests.
But one did better, right? Does his name start with the letter Luke? Let her finish.
Please give a good loud honk for the new Crosswalk Helper. Luke!
Yes! Huh? What? Go Luke! Go Luke! Woohoo! Starting today, the crosswalk gets Luke! Woohoo! Yay! How could this happen? I was so much faster.
I'm sorry, Ricky, but the job of a crosswalk helper isn't just to cross quickly, it's to cross safely. Maybe you can try again next time.
Oh, you would have made a great crosswalk helper. But Luke will be good too, right?
Lovely helping, Luke.
Actually, I think Luke's doing a great job. Look at him helping Mrs. Bikely.
Great! Really?
Is there any chance you might possibly, maybe, be just a teeny bit jealous?
Jealous? You think I'm jealous?
Pretty much.
Pretty much.
Well, I am.
Here they come.
The crosswalk rush!
Uh-oh. I'm not sure Luke's ready for this. Sometimes I stay at school late just to make sure I don't get stuck in the middle of that.
Slow down.
I can't even count them. They won't stop moving.
Oh, we've got a stalled bike. I'll take care of her. Luke, you help the others across.
Where did you come from? Huh? Get back! Everybody, move across the street in an orderly line. That's not orderly or a line.
Oh, sorry, Luke. Gotta go.
What? No, wait. Stay here, Toot. Don't cross the road. Hey, respect the badge, Toot.
Oops. Forgot something.
Please remain calm. I'm not calm, but somebody should be. Too many bikes! I don't think I can do this.
Luke's first day on the job might be his last day on the job.
Oh dear, Luke's panicking.
I know what to do. If a friend runs into trouble, that's when it's time to zoom in and help. Ricky to the rescue! Zoom out! Hey, stop, please! Stop! Orderly line! Orderly! No, that's not orderly. Line! No, that's a squiggle. Ah. That's it! Everybody back to the club. Move along, hurry! Take it slow and safe. Slow and safe. Ricky! Everything seems so easy until it gets hard. No problem, you can do this. I can? How? I was kind of thinking I couldn't. Toot, remember that whistle thing you did this morning?
Oh, yeah, that was great. You should have seen the look on your face.
Can you do it again?
Huh, only any time I want.
Huh? Oh! Yeah, thanks, Toot. Go, Loop. You take the lead. I'll follow behind and we'll get everyone across. Let's go, kids!
Well, look at that. Ricky and Loop, I am impressed.
Yeah, we're awesome! We're fantastic! Especially Loop!
You certainly are. In fact, I think our school could use 2 crosswalk helpers.
Oh!
What do you say, Ricky? Loop?
Cool! Really? Let's rev and roll! All for one and bikes for all! Oh! But if we're going to do this job, I think there's one thing we really need to learn. Like that? How about this?
Nobody's stopping for those whistles. Try it like this.
Amazing!
How can such a small bike make such a big noise?
Almost had it. How about this? I'd stop for that. Whoa! This fair is zoom-tastic! Look! So much to do! Overload! Excitement overload! Can you see? There are balloons! Balloons? Where? Where? Balloons! I want a blue one and an orange one and one with pink polka dots!
Sorry, only one balloon each. We don't want to run out.
That's code 101. Make sure there's fun for everyone.
I have to choose just one? Whoa! You guys might have to go on without me. This is going to take a while.
Was he what? Code 1010. There's a big traffic jam in town.
I guess everyone wants to come to the fair.
Yes, but that puts me in a jam. I'm supposed to be here, helping Buster sell balloons and watching over the fair.
We can do those things. Fair deputies reporting for duty.
Well, do you promise to make sure everyone follows the fairground rules?
Yes, Officer Bunker, sir!
Very well then. You are officially on duty. DJ, Loop, you can help Buster keep an eye on the balloon stand.
I'll keep an eye on Loop too.
Very good. Scootio, Ricky, you are on patrol. Just keep the rules with you and make sure they are followed.
Downloading the rules on my tablet now.
Remember, the rules keep everything running smoothly so everyone has a good time. Because that's the most important thing of all.
Don't worry, Officer Bunker. We've got this.
Okay, deputies, you're in charge till I get back.
Fun balloon! Get your fun balloon here! But only one each. You have to choose. I know it's hard. Ready to roll out, Co-Deputy? Yep, we're good to go.
Hey, no cutting. I was here first. I was here first. No, I was.
Hey, Deputy Ricky here. Don't worry, there's a rule about this. Probably, right?
Yep, Code 61. Everyone needs to line up single file for the rides.
Did you hear that? Everyone line up, please. Hello?
Lucky these deputies have deputies.
Go!
Single file!
Great job! Oh, yeah! 3 in a row. Can I do 4?
Can you do 4? When do I get to do 1? It's my turn!
Easy, guys. The fair deputies will settle this. The fair should always be fair. Scootio?
According to the fairground rules, everyone gets only 1 turn at a time.
Yeah, but you could change the rules a little for your favourite cousin. Right, dude? Well, cousin dude, I'd like to, but, rules are kind of rules. That's why they call them that. That's no fun. I hope we're not being too strict.
And I hope the treat stand isn't out of fried pickles. Come on!
Oh. 1 balloon each. Just 1. I wish I could give out more, but that's the rule. You have to choose, like Luke.
Green! No! Yellow! There's a purple one!
I don't think he'll ever make up his mind.
Whoa! Sweets and treats!
Hello, Ricky and Scootio. Toot, what can I get for you?
Free caramel blasters! Oh, and don't hold back on the gooey. Ooh, and a cherry smoothie.
And I'll have a fried pickle and a corn dog and...
Hold on, Ricky. There's just one little problem. Look at this rule.
Only 1 treat each!
Oh. But then how can I get gooey and smoothie? They go together. You're ruining all the fun.
But it's not my fault. It's the rule.
And rules are no fun. Wait in line. 1 turn at a time. Don't eat lots of treats. What's next? Only 1 balloon each?
Yeah! Choosing is impossible!
Oh, how I tried! We're here to have fun! And your rules aren't letting us.
Yay! Officer Bunker did say the most important thing was for everyone to have a good time.
So, does that mean I can have more than 1 balloon?
They're only balloons, right? What's 1 more going to do?
I guess it can't do any harm.
Everyone, as one of your fun fair deputies, I say we can have more than 1 balloon if we want to.
Maybe even more than 1. And can we have more than 1 treat?
And we can keep taking turns until we break a record. Done, done, and done. In fact, the only rule is fun for everyone! Hey, being a deputy isn't so hard. Everyone's happy.
Yeah, like them.
Yay! Maybe everyone's too happy.
Oh. Deputies, there are no more treats. It's a code red treat emergency. I never thought there was such a thing as too many caramel blasters. But there is. I didn't even get to try one. Maybe that 1 treat each rule kind of makes sense.
Don't hog the ball.
But it's still
Yeah, without the rules, everything's going bonkers.
Look, guys! Every colour! I don't need to
to choose. No, but you need to land. Oh, don't worry. Landing is easy. Loopy boosters! Oh, yeah, I forgot. Boosters make me go up.
Don't worry. We'll get you down.
But how?
That's how. We've just got to pop those balloons, one at a time.
Stop, balloons! I was nice to you, so why are you being so mean to me?
Hang on, Luke. All right, guys, let's zoom out and keep on popping.
Sorry.
We'll get you, Luke. Hang on.
Clear the way! Offers are coming through. Why is everyone looking up? So many balloons!
Did you see the purple one? There's a purple one.
How did this happen?
We may have given him more than one balloon.
That's not just more than one. That's more than one.
That's what I said.
Don't worry. Deputy Ricky to the rescue.
Speed check! Spoiler up! Visor on! Gadgets, go!
Ricky!
Wait for him. Ready, aim, and grappling hook. Go!
Ricky's got him!
He did it!
Yay! Thanks, Ricky. Any higher, and I'd have been the first spike in space. I'm sorry, Balloons. I never meant for it to end this way.
I thought bending the rules would make the fair more fun, but boy was I wrong.
That's it. Keep in line.
Only one treat each.
One per customer. Everybody gets one.
I hope we've all learned that rules are there for a reason. Why, this big bunch of balloons may look like innocent fun, but without rules, you can sure get carried away.
Hey, Grandad! Only one balloon each, remember?
Don't worry, I gotcha.
Whoa!